Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have a knack for creating wealth? They make it look so effortless, don't they? But let me tell you, it's anything but. These individuals have discovered the profound relationship between hard work and wealth creation, a relationship that many overlook. Now, let's not confuse hard work with mere physical labor. Hard work, in the context of wealth creation, is about dedicating time, energy, and thought to your ambitions. It's about setting goals, making plans, and taking decisive action. It's about perseverance and the refusal to give up despite setbacks and failures. That's the kind of hard work that leads to wealth creation. Mindset plays a crucial role in this process. It's not just about thinking positively or visualizing success. It's about adopting a growth mindset, believing that you have the power to shape your financial future. It's about understanding that wealth isn't just about money, but about the value you create in the world. Let's consider the story of Elon Musk, a name synonymous with success. Musk didn't become a billionaire overnight. He went from being a penniless immigrant to one of the wealthiest individuals in the world. How? By embracing hard work and a growth mindset. He dedicated countless hours to learning about industries he knew little about, took risks most of us would shy away from, and persevered through numerous failures and setbacks. That's the power of hard work coupled with the right mindset. Or consider the story of Oprah Winfrey, who rose from poverty to become a media mogul. She didn't just work hard, she worked smart. She leveraged her unique talents and skills, created value for her audience, and built a brand that's recognized worldwide. She too embraced a growth mindset, believing in her ability to shape her destiny. These stories are not anomalies. They are testament to the power of hard work and the right mindset in creating wealth. They remind us that wealth is not a product of luck or inheritance, but a result of consistent effort and a steadfast belief in oneself. When you shift your mindset and embrace hard work, you lay the foundation for wealth creation. Now, have you ever questioned how long it really takes to become wealthy? Let's delve into the power of diligence and persistence in the journey to wealth creation. These two qualities are not just words. They are the bedrock of success, the essence of every wealth story you've heard or read about. Imagine a farmer. He tills the soil, plants the seeds, and waters them daily. He does not see the fruits of his labor immediately. Instead, he waits day after day, season after season, tending to the crops with consistency and patience. This is diligence. This is persistence. And this, dear friends, is the path to wealth. Now, let's look at a real-life example. Consider the story of billionaire investor Warren Buffett. He bought his first stock at just 11 years old. Today, he is one of the wealthiest individuals in the world, but this didn't happen overnight. Buffett's wealth was accumulated over decades of diligent investing and persistent learning. Or take the story of Thomas Edison, an inventor who held over 1,000 patents. One of his most iconic inventions, the light bulb, was not a product of a sudden stroke of genius. It was the result of countless trials and errors, endless nights of work, and constant faith in his vision. Edison once said, "Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time." These stories are not unique. They are common threads woven into the tapestry of every successful individual's journey. Diligence and persistence are the keys that unlock the door to wealth. They are the fuel that drives the engine of success. So, as we journey on this path to wealth, let's embrace diligence. Let's cultivate persistence. Let's be like the farmer who patiently tends to his crops, knowing that in due time, the harvest will come. Remember, wealth creation is not an overnight process. It takes time, diligence, and persistence. Now let me ask you, do you think having a high IQ or being naturally gifted is the only way to create wealth? Let's debunk this myth right away. While natural talent can be a great advantage, it's not the sole ticket to wealth. In fact, many of the world's wealthiest people weren't born prodigies. They're ordinary individuals who have harnessed the power of knowledge and skills, and you can too. Let's imagine the world as a vast ocean and wealth as an island on the horizon. To reach that island, you don't need to be born a great swimmer. You can learn to build a boat. That's where acquiring knowledge and skills come in. Your boat is your skill set, and the more skills you acquire, the larger and more robust your boat becomes, better equipped to navigate the turbulent waters of life's challenges. Consider the story of Elon Musk, the man behind Tesla and SpaceX. Musk wasn't born a rocket scientist. He was originally a software developer. But when he decided he wanted to revolutionize space travel, he didn't let his lack of knowledge in the field stop. Instead, he spent countless hours studying rocket science, physics, and related fields. He built his boat, so to speak, and used it to sail towards his wealthy island. Acquiring skills is not about being the smartest in the room. It's about being the most adaptable, the most willing to learn and grow. In this age of information, knowledge is more accessible than ever. You can learn virtually anything online, often for free. It's not about having a high IQ, it's about having a high I will quotient. So instead of being discouraged by what you don't know, be excited about what you can learn. Remember, your mind is like a parachute. It only works when it's open. Open your mind to new knowledge and skills and you'll open the door to wealth. Never underestimate the power of knowledge and skills when it comes to wealth creation. You've got the power to learn, to grow and to succeed. It's all in your hands. However, you may ask, is it possible to create wealth without taking risks? This is a question that often echoes in the corridors of entrepreneurship and wealth building. Now, let's delve into the world of risk-taking and its undeniable impact on the journey to wealth creation. Imagine you are standing at the edge of a cliff, staring at the vast expanse of ocean below. You've seen people dive off this very cliff, emerging victorious and exhilarated. You know there's a chance you could tumble, get a few scrapes, but there's also a chance for an unforgettable experience. This is what risk-taking is like. It's a plunge into the unknown with the hope of surfacing triumphant. Take the tale of Elon Musk, for instance. He made a fortune from the sale of PayPal, and what did he do next? He risked it all. He poured his wealth into SpaceX, Tesla, and Solocity. Each venture was a gamble, an unprecedented leap into industries that were either non-existent or dominated by long-standing giants. Yet, he plunged headlong, undeterred. Today, his calculated risks have paid off, and his wealth has multiplied manifold. Similarly, consider the story of Jeff Bezos. He left a high-paying job on Wall Street to start an online bookstore in a garage. That bookstore, Amazon, is now a global e-commerce giant. Bezos' risk-taking journey was fraught with challenges, but his vision and the courage to take calculated risks have made him one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet. These stories of success illuminate a fundamental truth about wealth creation. It's not just about hard work, knowledge, or skills. It's also about the courage to take calculated risks. It's about stepping into uncharted territories, about daring to dream and daring to do. It's about understanding that failure is a potential outcome, yet choosing to press on. The journey to wealth isn't a straight, smooth road. It's a path paved with risks and challenges. But with every risk taken, there's a potential reward. And often these rewards are what transform effort into wealth. So, is it possible to create wealth without taking risks? From the tales of successful risk-takers, it seems unlikely. Without taking calculated risks, wealth creation may remain a far-off dream. All right, now here's another catch. Can you accumulate wealth by merely saving your money? Let's ponder on this for a moment. The answer, quite simply, is no. Wealth creation demands more than just saving. It calls for intelligent investing. Let's draw from the tale of two friends, Jack and Jill. Jack saved diligently but never invested, while Jill, a savvy investor, put her money to work. Over time, Jill's wealth grew exponentially, while Jack's remained stagnant. Here's the lesson. To transform effort into wealth, one must venture beyond the comfort of saving and step into the dynamic world of investment. Investing isn't about immediate riches. It's about leveraging your money to generate more wealth over time. It's about planting seeds today, watering and nurturing them, then reaping the fruits of your patience and wisdom in due course. So, whether it's in stocks, real estate, or your own education, investing is the key that unlocks the door to wealth. Investment, when done wisely, can be a powerful tool for wealth creation. Now that you know the principles of hard work and wealth creation, what's next? It's time to take action. Don't let these lessons be mere words that flutter past you. Instead, grab them, internalize them, and put them into practice. Be diligent and persistent in your efforts. Use your knowledge and skills to create value. Take calculated risks and invest wisely. Remember, the foundation of wealth lies in your hard work. It's the sweat on your brow, the strain in your muscles, and the fire in your heart. It's your relentless pursuit of knowledge and skills, your bravery when faced with risks, and your wisdom in investment that will turn your effort into wealth. Every day, strive to be better than the person you were yesterday. Every moment, make a choice that leads you closer to your goal. Start applying these principles today and transform your hard work into wealth. Comment, "I will start now." Again, just comment this, "I will start now." Till next time, I can't wait to see you as a millionaire.